We all know that there are a number of different business models that anybody can apply online. Now, you may have tried this, you may have tried that, you may be great at this, you may be great at that, but one of the things I always recommend people apply to their business is a recurring business model. Now, I'm sure you know what recurring means, but essentially what it means is, you sell something once, people buy into it because they want to receive whatever it is you're selling, and they kind of stick because they need it. Now, this is a perfect model because it means that people pay you once, but then they continue to pay you, so they pay you over and over. It can be on a monthly basis, it could be on a quarterly basis, it can be on a bi-yearly basis or a yearly basis. It makes no difference. The fact is, if you set this up right, people continue to pay you. Now, this was something that I did back in 2014, 2015, when I only recently entered the IM arena, as it were. So before that, I was a niche marketer, so I had a ton of niche content. So what I decided to do was package that up and sell it on a recurring basis. So I set up a small membership site, and people were able to pay for niche content on a recurring basis. They paid me $17.97 per month, each and every month. Now, at the time, I think I managed to acquire around 200 members to that site. So that's 200 members paying me $17.97 each and every month. So even if next month or the month after that I had a bad month, I knew that I had that recurring income to fall back on. And it's something that anybody can do. Now, I'm not selling anything here. I've put together a post, so if you want to go over, check out the post on my blog and simply apply the business model. Now, all you really need is content. So whatever niche you may be in, you build a small membership site and just fill it with content each and every month. So you sell people into that membership site once, they stick with you, and they continue to pay you. So all you really need to do is come up with the content each and every month. So if you'd like a plan for putting this together, check out the post. You'll find the link just underneath this video.